Hello everybody. In this series of video lectures, we will discuss regarding various concepts of operating systems. First of all, myself Muhammad Gulzar Ahmed, and I am having 11 years of experience in teaching engineering subjects in computer science department. I have qualified UGC NET twice. So in this series, we will discuss various concepts of operating systems. First of all, we will discuss about the basics and the definition of operating system. So generally the operating system means, it's a very simple definition we have. Operating system means it is simply an intermediate. Operating system is an intermediate. It is an intermediate between user and computer hardware. Operating system is the intermediate between user and computer hardware. This is the very simplest definition. Why? Because a user cannot access or cannot use the devices of computer system without the operating system, or the operating system provides the facilities to run the programs to the user on the computer system. Generally, if you take any computer system, it will consist of four parts. Like it will consist of four parts. Like it will consist of hardware. Secondly, it consists of, for example, application programs. Application programs. Third one, it consists of users. Finally, it will consist of operating systems. Okay, right? These are the four systems, four parts a computer system generally will have. Okay, one is hardware, second one is application programs, third one is users, fourth one is the operating system. If you see, we can also have a diagrammatic view for this. Generally, what is the hardware? Hardware is the devices which a computer system will have, uh, like we will have in the hardware, we will have printers, we will have, and storage devices, we will have various things which a computer will consist of. And application programs, these are the softwares or applications, we can call them as apps or softwares, which will work on the hardware devices. For example, if you take Microsoft Word, MS Word, if you take print, it will you will get the print in the printer. So application programs will use the hardware. And who are the users? Users are, we people are known as the users, who will work or who will use hardware and application programs. These are the users. Coming to operating system, it provides the mechanism. Operating system provides the mechanism for users, for users to use hardware and hardware and application programs also, and application programs also. So like this. So a computer system, an operating system, it is the intermediate between user and the hardware. Without operating system, user cannot use the computer's hardware. Okay, you might have seen, right? When we purchase any computer system, okay, when the operating system is not there, we are unable to use it. Or if you take any other device, right, even if you take a mobile phone, it will contain the operating system. Okay, if the operating system is corrupted or damaged, you cannot use the services of the mobile system, right? So in this lecture we have seen, the computer system consists of four parts: hardware, application programs, users, and operating systems. Okay, we can also have a diagrammatic view for this. Okay, we will draw the diagram here. Okay, for example, consider we have the hardware, computers hardware here. Computers hardware devices. Okay, and on top of this we will have the intermediate. What is the intermediate we are calling? The intermediate is the operating system, right? Right, operating system is the intermediate between computer hardware and the users. Finally we will have the users here on top. So users directly they cannot use the hardware devices, right? For example, here we have users, user 1, user 2 and user 3, right? The users will access the hardware devices through the operating system. For this purpose they have to use the application programs. They have to use application programs, right? The users will access the application programs to use the hardware devices. Okay, so as you can see, between application programs and the hardware we are having the operating system. So operating system provides the facilities for the user to access or to use the use various things of the computer system or hardware devices. So in the coming lectures we will discuss more detailedly about what type of services the operating system will provide to the end user. Okay, we will discuss very detailedly. So please like and subscribe and share the lectures. Thank you all.